place is an all-you-can-eat buffet. Who's going to care if I polish off a couple of these idiots?
You can't be sure who is and who is not guilty, buddy.
They're in prison!
Yeah, but some people take false confessions. They, they take pleas. We watch Making a Murderer.
You all right?
Yeah, man, I'm just practicing.
I am a predator, Eddie.
Mm-hmm.
Lions do not eat salad.
Yeah, but you're not a lion, are you? I see you more of a vexatious little pig dog house bat thing.
You suck! You suck!
Excuse?
I need human brains to survive!
Now pick up some chickens, man. Let's go. FBI is still investigating us for all of that stuff that we were involved with. So if one more head goes missing, we will get hauled off into Area 51.
They will kill us both?
So somebody has to be responsible.
Responsibility. It's for the mediocre. Food!
Can you stop doing that?
Food!
Please just stop doing
Food!
that. Come on, stop
Food!
doing that. I have a dead body.
Food!
God damn it, fine.
We should be out there, protecting the city, lethally!
What's that?
And should never consent to crawl when he has the impulse to fly. You are a bottom feeder.
Be quiet. How many times have I told you that I want you to hide yourself when I am working? I am serious. It is important. You have to show me respect.
Respect?
Yes.
Respect.
Yes.
Okay. Cassidy gonna give you the scoop, right?
Right.
Wrong.
What do you mean?
Because you blow everything.
Ah, okay, I see you were talking about Anne again.
I miss her. Oh, Kitty.
Leave him! Leave him be! Leave him be! Leave him be!
I shall remove your head.
No, you won't!
I will use it for bowling.
No, you will not!
I will take it to. What is the one that we like, Eddie?
It's Lucky Strike!
Yeah!
Put it down!
Lucky Strike! I will take it to Lucky Strike, and I will score a 300-point game!
You won't!
The rest of your putty little boy body will be left here, rolling around in dumpster juice.
Oh, God. No! Put him down! No, 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 no!
Fine! I cannot live like this anymore! I'm starving!
So eat those guys!
I can't! Sonny and Cher are best friends.
Are you serious? That's ridiculous. That's what they do.
That was abusive. That was abuse.
There you are. Death to you, father.
No!
Not you, father. You, father. Oh, shit!
Whoa, where you going? Where you doing?
This is much worse than I thought. That is a red one. Wow.
Red one.
We should leave immediately. Annie will get over it. We never liked her anyway. So, let's go.
No.
Congratulations to the happy couple. We are leaving.
Eddie! Eddie! Over here!
You need to come out right now. And I will let you eat everybody. You can eat them all.
Apart from him! In the robe, you cannot eat him.
Promise.
I promise.